this minimum. I will.
I got a gift from my friend. She was coming down and then asked what I wanted. So, me too, I always want something, honestly. I always want something. Let's look at it. I've seen them, but I haven't tried it on. Let me see like that. I've seen them because they are the things that I asked for. Do you understand? So, this is my first ever anything from Shein, guys. Oh no, I thrifted a certain skirt from Shein some time back, so this is my first brand new anything from Shein. It's a 2-piece, and I've always wanted to own a 2-piece, you guys. I've always wanted to own a 2-piece. So guess who the latest 2-piece owner is in town? I got it in a medium size, 38 euro, and then US 6. I'll wait for you to see short, guys. Let's move on to the next one. Then this CeraVe retinol serum. I've not used a retinol before, but I read that it's very good for the skin, and so I thought I should own one. And this sunscreen, guys, this sunscreen. So let's say now I own 3 sunscreens. 2 leave white cast, like the old 2 leave white cast. But I still use them like that because Ghana's sun is too harsh. I still use them. I really hope this one wouldn't. This is in a spray form, so I feel it wouldn't leave a white cast. But I'll be sure to leave a review or like let you know if I use it in this video, or if I ever use it. I'll be sure to let you know the results. Yeah. So that is all for today. I showed you my parcels, and so guys, today is the 2nd of October. Guys, I'm not going to be doing random days in my live vlog for a while. I'm not going to be doing like weekly vlogs and all that. I'll be doing monthly vlogs, like anything that went on in the month. I'll be compiling all of that and then do a monthly vlog, unless there's a special anything that demands separate vlogging. Yeah, so today my girlfriend is naming her child, so I'm going to look for an outfit with you and then try it on, then we get ready to go for the naming ceremony. No, it's not even like she's naming her child. She's named the child already. It's just a celebration that is happening today. Yes, and I'm up for it. Yeah, so I came back from campus not long ago. I had a paper yesterday, so I did have a paper. It went well. At least today's one went well, that's I'm sure. What's the time? Why are they planning to put this in? So in case you didn't know, I'm a student. I am an undergraduate student at K University. I'm studying hospitality management, and I'm telling you this because my lecturer has given us a crazy assignment. And I'm saying it's crazy because she wants us to go to a 3 to 5 star hotel restaurant and then observe the way they do their things, whether it goes like hand in hand with what's in the book. You can say. So like, but in order for you to do that, you have to buy something to do that. And she wants a video of this, the way the service is done, you guys. Of course, it's a group work, so my group members, we decided to go to African Regent Hotel. We don't know what star is rated, but it's just a hotel that we are going to. And yeah, so I'll be picking 2 outfits, one for the naming ceremony, like the celebration, and then one for the hotel assignment. So guys, let's do this. I'll see you soon. I'm going to find something to eat, so please subscribe if you haven't. Hey, good to be. You guys, putting on the dress wasn't as tough as taking it off. Hey, stop. The way I've suffered. I don't know if you can hear from how I'm breathing. Let me check and then I'll trace it right now because I don't have any other option. I won't say I'm going to look for a different thing. There's nothing else to wear but this. My group members. Chicken wings and all. Hapa no questions.
That's my uncle's friend.
At long last, you guys, the battle has ended. I wrote my last paper earlier this morning, and that paper, you guys, that paper, the woman is mafia, honestly. She's brought things from, I should say, secondary school, because even those that did hospitality management for HND are saying that they've not seen it before and they can't remember if they were taught, and some are saying like a whole different thing. Me, I changed programs for degree. I did a different thing when I was doing my HND, so I mean I couldn't even complain much because who sends me? Like that's what I was saying, who sends me? So it's normal that she has mafia that, but come on. She gave us I think 8 different slides, so and all like each had about 30-something pages. So if you've given us 8 slides, why bring something from HND or SHS or wherever you want to bring? Like, if we wanted to quiz us on a different thing, I mean, you should have given us those books or something. But I mean, she has done her own, and we did our part too. Except for the marking, the English you read. People, the English you read. Stop. So officially, I'm on vacation today, 16th of October. I'm going to sleep for a while. The early morning waking up is going to be on hold for some time, and I'm up for it because I love morning sleep, you guys. Hey, you can't even imagine how I love to sleep at dawn. I also have to do internship later. I don't know when we'll start, but our lectures are not ready, so we are waiting for the lectures. But also, I'm angry at the fact that we need to do another internship because I thought we were past the internship stage like long. I thought we left it with Asian. So guys, that's the update. Like that's the whole update for now. I'm on vacation, so I'm up for chillings. Call me if you want to chill me. I mean, you guys, I'm up for it. I'm on vacation. Also, guys, let's see this day. I'll tell you later. So, until next week, I'm not sure there's going to be anything vloggable. So, if there's something vloggable, I'm gonna vlog it. If there's nothing vloggable, then I see you next week. Hi guys, just as you saw, I just packed some clothes. We're having a house party kind of thingy. It's a sleepover, so that's why I packed a lot of clothes. I mean, just a night, and see the number of clothes I've packed.
Happy